All right, so let's say this is one of the practical applications, and it can be asked a question like this. You are trying to find the total number of species in a certain location. And I chose whales because recently I went for whale watching. And throughout the eastern coast of Australia, we do have a lot of whales that migrate every year. So let's just say in that particular, it could be any species, okay, but I just chose randomly whale. So tagging wildlife species. So these marine research scholars or research scientists, what they try to do is they want to see the population growth or the total population roughly in a certain location of a certain species. Let's say the researchers tagged 20 whales or 30 whales. Let's just, or a bigger number. Let's just say they were able to track, whales are hard to spot, but if they do, you do know that they migrate in a pods. So let's just say randomly on day one, they were able to tag 30 whales. We don't know how many in total, but they tagged 30 whales. The next day, they identified 75 whales, but out of which 12 are already tagged in. Or as to make it a better number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 15. Okay, to make it to avoid decimals, I randomly came up with the number, so just give me some grace over there. So on day one, they tagged 30 whales. On day two, they spotted 75 whales, but they realized that 15 of them are already tagged, so that doesn't count. But like this, if you repeat a pattern of this, and you have these two ratios, right? We can cross multiply and divide and get your unknown value. Got it? So what you can do is in the cross multiplication, I always taught you butterfly rule. So take x because x is the unknown. So x times 15 is equal to 30 times 75. So this ends up as 15x, and on the other side you have 75 times 30. So this is 2250. You just want x. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide both sides with 15, and you end up 150. So in that particular region, they have 150 whales. So this is how you would do in general approach to finding the population of certain species in certain locations. So this is one of the approaches. I hope this cross multiplication technique, please watch the video again and review it. But this is how you would set up the ratios, and this is how you would equal them to each other and then cross multiply and finally divide to get your unknown value.